how to log in to your Xapo wallet or Xapo Bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log into your Xapo Bank account. Now you can do so on the Xapo Bank application, or you can do so on the browser as well. Either ways, all you have to do is simply download it and then go ahead and open it up. Once you open it up, you'll be headed to the login or sign up page. Now I'm here on the sign up option, so as you can see I've just entered my account details. But if you already have an account, you simply have to go ahead and tap on the login option, then enter the email address that you used to create your account. Then Xapo will send a verification link to your email. Click the link to be redirected to the app. Xapo may send an SMS with a code to your registered phone number as well. All you have to do is enter the code. That is how you can easily log in. If you haven't yet signed up, you can go ahead and tap on sign up. First enter in your account details, then enter in the security measure, how you would like to protect your account, then the address verification, ID verification, and personal details. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.